Any idea what is our activity for today? Is A, hard word. Is A, word hand. Hanapin nyo dyan, may mga terms dyan, basta hanapin nyo yung mga pag-aralan nyo tapos sa pag-graphic function. Para maalala nyo sa. So, if you want to answer your class, please raise your right hand. What's answer number 1?
Ballpen. Ay, sir na. Di ba yung nakuha ka? Ano mo ginawa mo? Ayun po. Ayun po.
Next question. So we solve the maximum height of the object reached by considering the function s of t is equal to 80t minus 16 squared. We have to arrange this quadratic function by from highest exponent to the lowest exponent. So what is that squared? Negative 16t squared plus 80. So there is a value. What is the value of a? Negative 16 and the value of b is 80. So we have to factor out negative 16. Negative 16 divided by negative 16 is squared. Positive 80 divided by negative 16.
80 minus
40.
80 divided by 16 plus
4. 3.
5.
5.
Negative
5.
5. So by considering the square, negative 16 times 3 squared minus 5b. Where is the value of b from this equation? Negative 5b. So multiply divided by 2 squared. 5 times 5, 25. 2 times 2 plus 25 over 4 minus negative 16 divided by negative 16 times 25 negative 400 divided by 4 40
Negative.
400 divided by 4 negative 100 negative 16 times what is the square root of b squared? Since this is subtraction, therefore, what is the square root of 25? And how about what is the square root of 4? Negative times negative 100 plus so this is our from this equation, what is the vertex? Anyone? 100. Yes? 100. Vertex is 5 over 2 and so the vertex is 5 over 2 and 100. From this order scale, what is the maximum point? Yes? 100. Yes, very good. So the maximum point is 100. Therefore, the maximum height that the object reached is 100 feet. Again, what is the maximum height in the object with the object reached? Yes? Yes, very good. We understand our first problem. Now, class, we go on to our next. Pina-assignment ko sa inyo, class.
iniwan niyo sa akin ito, ma'am.
Dalis.
Thank you for reading. So the problem is this problem is what maximum height did the object reach? Kagaya lang siya ng ginawa natin kanina. So we solve the maximum height by the quadratic function h of t equal to negative 4.9 t squared plus 9.8t plus naka-arrange na ba siya, mas?
Yes.
So, we group this quadratic function in terms of the variable t squared. Therefore, negative 4.9t squared plus 9.8t plus we factor out the value of a. So, where is the value of a here? Negative 4. Negative 4.9. Yes, very good. Negative 4.9. Negative 4.9 lang. Numerical value lang siya. So, negative 4.9t squared divided by negative 4.9t squared. Positive 9.8t divided by negative 4.9. Negative 9.5. Plus, so by infinity square, plus minus, negative 4.9 times what is the square of t square again? So since this is a subtraction. So where is the value of t in this equation?
Negative 2.
Divided by 2 square.
1.
Divided by 2. 1 square. 1. Plus 1 plus 2 minus negative 4.5 times positive 1.
Magulo. Pag magulo.
Negative 4.5 times what is the square of p?
D.
Since this is subtraction, yes, subtraction. What is the square of 1? 1 square plus 2. Negative times negative 4.5.
Positive.
Negative 4.9 t minus 1 squared 2 plus 4.9
6.9.
6 point, yes, very good, 6.9. So from this quadratic function, what is the vertex?
1 and 6.
Negative
1 to 6.3.
the vertex is positive 1 and positive 6.9. Bakit siya naging positive? Kasi ang number sa is a minus a minus a squared. So negative to, therefore the value of a is positive 1. So the vertex is positive 1 and 6.9. What is the maximum point from this vertex? Yes, 6.9. So the maximum point is 6.9. Therefore, the maximum height of the object reach is 6.9 meters. Again, class, what maximum height is the object reach? 6.9. Now about the problem number 2. And after how many seconds is equal to the height of 4 meters? Kasi pag na-reach natin yung 6 negative 2.9 divided by 4.9 is approximately 0.59. Therefore, 0.59 is equal to cancel because negative 4.9 divided by negative 4.9 is also equal to 1. Then, we square it both sides will cancel. So, makacancel ito right last. So, magiging A minus 1 na lang siya. Tapos, what is the square of 0.59? Is approximately equal to 0.77. Is a positive transpose negative 1 to become plus 1. So the time is equal to 1.7. How about if it is a negative? So A minus 1 is equal to negative 0.7. So C is equal to transpose negative 1 to become positive 1 minus 0.77. So 1 minus 0.77
0.33.
So there are 1.77 seconds or 0.23 seconds to reach the height of 4 meters. You understand class? Question? Another example about business. A garment store sells about 40 t-shirts per week at a price of 100 pesos each. So nakapagpunta daw sila ng 40 t-shirts per week kapag ang presyo ng t-shirt is 100. But, for each 10 pesos decrease in price, the sales saving found out that 5 more t-shirts per week were sold. So kapag babawasan sila yung 100 pesos or 10 pesos, madadagdagan yung t-shirt ng price kung magiging 45 siya. Kapag nag-decrease yung price natin. Understand the problem, class? So the question is, what price produces the maximum revenue? Kasi revenue class is income or ilan yung nabenta nyo. That's it. I have here a formula in revenue. stall sells about 40 t-shirts, ano yung presyo ng 40? Para makapagbenta ka ng 40 t-shirt, ilan yung price? 100. At mag-i-increase daw siya ng ilan? Price ng 5 t-shirt kapag nag-increase ng ilan? 10 pesos. So this is our equation, our subtraction equation. So i-multiply mo lang siya. 1 times 100 or 1,000. 40 times negative 10. Negative 100x. 5x plus 5x times 100. 500. Plus x times negative 10x. X times x squared. 4,000 negative 400x plus positive
100x.
100x minus. So we are start from highest degree of exponent to the lowest. What is the highest degree? Negative 50x squared plus 100x plus 4,000. So class, what is the, we group this equation in terms of the variable x squared. So ano lang yung x dito?
5x.
X negative 50x squared plus so may equation na square.
Plus 1,000.
So what is the value of a here?
50. Negative 50.
So we factor out negative 50.
X.
Negative 50 divided by negative 50.
X squared.
So positive 100x divided by
Negative 2. Negative 2. X. X.
plus. So when you in the square, negative 5x, negative 50, x squared minus 2x. What is the value of b in this equation?
2.
So 2 divided by 2 is equal to
4.
2 divided by 1 times 1.
1x. 1.
So plus 4. Plus 4,000 minus negative 50 times 1. Negative. Negative 50. What is the square of x squared?
X.
So, this is subtraction of 1. So, what is the square of 1? 1. Plus 4,000. Negative times negative 50.
Positive 50.
Plus 4,000 plus 4,000.
units per month at 1,000 each. Then they found out that they can sell 15 or more cell phone units every month for each 100 pesos decrease in price.
So how much is the sale amount of cell phone at price at 2,008? So how many is the problem na to? How many cell phones ang price na is 2,000 and ibenta nila per month? 100 cell phones. So the number of cell phones. So given that ito yung price ng phone na gas, so the price ng phone is 5,000 yan never na benta nila kapag 2,000 price. That's the so 200 times
Million.
So for 100,000, yung magbenta nila cellphone kapag ang halaga is 2,000. So the answer for letter A is 100,000. How about letter B? How much would be the sales if they sell cellphone at 1,600? Para naman daw kung 1,600. Diba nga sa problem kanina class, 200 cellphone tayo may benta nila kapag ang cost na or pinabenta yung price na is 2,000. Then they found out that they can sell 3% phones used every month for 200 increase in price. So kapag mag-increase daw yung 100 na 100, mag-increase. Mag-increase daw yung 2,000 ng 100, madadagdagan ng 50%. So magiging 250. Kapag ang price ay 1,100. So ang nakatayin dito is 1,600. Para mas naiintindihan nyo, may table natin. So this is the number of phones. Kapag ka 2,000 price ng phones, ilan yung pera nila?
100.
Kapag nag-increase lang 2,000 minus 100.
1,900.
Yes? 1,000 Sinasabi sa problem na kapag nagbawas ng 100, madadagdagan ko ng 50 cellphone. So, if the price is 1,900, how many phones can it sell?
150. 250.
150. How about if the cellphone, if the price is 1,600?
300.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
So if the price is 1,200, how about
Only 50.
how about if the price is 1,700? Yes?
350.
Very good. 800.
Very good luck.
Smart.
Walang kaya.
How about if the price is 1,600?
Yan.
Yes?
Patatlo ka na.
If the price is 1,600? ay kung sino ba 100 or 100, then the price is 1,600. The number of calls they can sell is 400. So the question is, how much would be the fee if they sell each and for 100,600? So for 100, the number of calls times 1,600. 400 times 1,600 guys. 400 times
640,000. 640,000.
Dahil ba kayo na lang cellphone kapag 100? Kapag 100. So, how about for the letter C? Letter C and letter D, assignment ko lang yan. Tapos makikita na lang kung mag-discuss na pag-type.
Or kaya tayo ko Spider.